Last day's their last hunt this year. Till turkey season.
Waterfowl hunt of the year. It's been a tough year, but it's gotten better towards the end. And this is what I'm choosing to enter the last hunt of the year with as my breakfast. So,
what's been your thoughts on snow geese?
So snow geese they're a completely different animal, obviously, but they're really fun to shoot. They're fun to work, and the way, you know, throwing out a million decoys and sitting in an A-frame blind and all that, that's actually a whole lot of fun. You know, that's polar opposite to what we're used to on the river, and that's something that really fired me up about these last 4 or 5 hunts is, you know, trying something new. And I'm thankful that we got to go on these snow goose hunts, and it's definitely something I'll do again.
It's about 3:45 at the moment, so we're going to finish our breakfast. We got about an hour drive this morning, so we're going to finish our breakfast, go get him some coffee, and then we're going to get out to the field. Last one of the year.
Last one, best one.
Yeah, hopefully it's going to be the best one.
Today is day 4 of the snow goose season, or the snow goose series we're doing. It's one of the last weekends of the season, and this is the last waterfowl hunt of the year. It's been a long year, but a good year, and I'm excited to end it on a high note. Today we're out here again with Tarbelly Outfitters. I'm filming again with Ardent Film Co. Same story, different day. We got a good southeast wind today, and we've got a couple thousand geese using the 2 fields that we're splitting. So we're right in between 2 fields, and they're using the one in front and behind. So it should be a good one. As we were setting up decoys, they were making all kinds of racket out there. We got the full body spread out and an A-frame with like 26 people today. So we got enough guns to rain them down. So looking forward to it. Stay tuned, guys, because it's going to be a good one. And let's get to banging. There we go.
Look, Ross.
Where was?
We got another one sitting down way over there.
All right, so we just finished day 4 of the snow goose series, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the videos. I know it was a little different with me filming these last 2 weeks, but I had a great time with Ardent Film Co. and Tarbelly Outfitters. I think we killed 41 today, which is by far the best day so far for us. So this is me signing off for waterfowl season 2022-2023. This is my last hunt. So I really appreciate everybody that came along with me for the ride. I'm looking forward to doing some turkey hunting, some fishing. So if you're into that kind of thing, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Until next year, I'll see y'all later.